Hi, I'm James. Welcome to our channel. I'm a retired IT technician and I enjoy gardening and DIY.
I'm Andrea. I have many hobbies and love cooking. I hope you can try my easy recipes with your friends and family.
We live in Scotland and love visiting the local cities and towns. This picture was taken at Loch Lomond.
Near where we live, we have some great farm animals. This is a Highland cow. This super cute sheep is a Valius black nose.
We love travelling and have visited many countries in the past. We hope to bring you some travelling tips.
We love trying new food, like at this restaurant in Lucca, Italy, and buying new ingredients to try at home. We hope you enjoy our recipes, like these cherry coconut macaroons, and chicken balmoro, chicken stuffed with haggis.
This pepperoni pizza is great and easy to make. And this is a Scottish favourite, homemade steak pie. Thai chicken served with rice or noodles.
We have a small garden patch and grew these raspberries last year. They tasted great with a dusting of icing sugar and ice cream. We were also proud of the vegetables we grew, like these carrots.
Flowers add colour. These are Candy Tuft Crown. Vibrant and long-lasting parrot tulips.
These pixie iris flowers are usually the first sign of spring. And sunflowers are so pretty, and the seeds can be eaten by the birds. Thank you again for joining us. We hope that you will click on the links below to see more videos and subscribe to our channel.